looking at London through London eyes. Travel to London with us as we explore London through the Monopoly board. Let's roll the dice and see where we land next. So when you come to the Angel Islington, the best station to get off at is obviously the Angel station, and you'll find that on the Northern Line. So the first road that you come out of when you are walking outside of the Angel station is Upper Street. Upper Street is a really long road, but we're going to take you down Upper Street to show you some of the shops and places that you can eat. Just down the road from the Angel station is Regents Canal. A canal is a man-made waterway or artificial channel constructed for specific purposes, most of the time used for transporting goods and people, as well as for irrigation and water management. Unlike natural rivers, canals are engineered and often feature elements like locks to control water levels, allowing boats to navigate different heights along the way. The Regents Canal was a vital link for industry and business in Islington and North London, transporting goods for nearly 150 years. Canals are now widely used for recreation. Along the Regents Canal, you can sit with friends and family watching the world go by, or take a scenic walk along the canal banks. So as we walk just down Islington High Street, which is just off Upper Street, we're just going to go and check out the antiques market just down the road there. Camden Passage it's called. So here we are at the Camden Passage, where you'll find your antique shops and all sorts of little bric-a-brac type things you might want to buy, vintage clothing and so forth. So let's go and check it out, shall we?
And like us, we do lots of bits, First World War, Second World War, bits of watches, bits of antique, artist sculptures over there, if you have a look on that table there. And it's a nice place, a lot of people come down here, a lot of tourists come down here. I mean, Japan, China, we have Spanish, habla español poco, I say a few words and they love it, you know what I mean? So it's good. You can buy things at the shop, but like you might pay £100 for a certain thing, but we've got it here for £40. You know what I mean? So we try and be reasonable with our prices. You know what I mean? And it's always busy down there. It'd be nice for people to come down, have a look.
Camden Passage has been a hot spot for shopping for decades. Come down and have a look. There might be some things you're interested in, especially if you like antiques or vintage clothing. That's Camden Passage in the Angel at Islington.
Come to Camden Passage, it's the place to be.
So in the middle of the bustling Upper Street, you'll find Islington Green. So here we are at Islington Green. If you've just come out of the station at Angel, you've done a little walk, maybe gone down to Camden Passage. Just after that, on this Upper Street, you'll find Islington Green, and you can grab yourself a coffee and just relax. Right, so just round the corner from Islington Green is the screen on the green. The Screen on the Green opened in 1913 and is one of London's oldest continuously running cinemas. You can also grab a show at the 325-seater Almeida Theatre. Sadler's Wells began as a spa in 1683 after a mineral spring was discovered in a garden and the waters were claimed to have healing properties. The site has been rebuilt multiple times and evolved from a spa to a popular theatre for various forms of entertainment like opera, Shakespeare plays and aquatic shows. Today it is known as one of the world's leading dance venues. If you're into dance, you'll probably want to check out Sadler's Wells Theatre, just on the end of Rosebery Avenue, not too far from Angel Station, just down the road. Here at Sadler's Wells you can probably catch different types of dance like flamingo, salsa, tap, ballet, street dance, you name it, they got it. Just around the block on Queen's Head Street you'll find the Angel Comedy Club with live comedy based out of the Bill Murray pub. So here we've got Burton Street, and if you're hungry, again this is another place for you to go and have a look at, because there's lots of different varieties of restaurants and places to eat. Take an easy stroll along Upper Street and you'll find a different type of shopping experience in a relaxed atmosphere. Just down the street is Islington Square. You can shop, eat or see a film. Or you could work out and hang out in the branch of the luxury gym Third Space. So you could shop at Islington Square, then stroll down to Chapel Market for a more traditional street market experience. The Angel Islington has another space around the way. It's called Angel Central, a compact open-air shopping centre. You'll also find pop-up events and art installations. And of course, the Angel Wings statue, a sculpture by artists Wolfgang Buttress and Fiona Heron. So what's your favourite football team? Is it Tottenham? Is it Chelsea? Or maybe it's Arsenal? So just a short ride on a bus perhaps, you can find the Emirates Stadium, Arsenal Football Club. There are 7 Premier League football clubs in London, currently representing the highest level of London pro football. Arsenal at the Emirates Stadium is one of them. Arsenal have won around 48 major trophies, and if you take a paid tour around the stadium and in the museum, you'll likely see some of them as well. It's free to walk around the stadium and you can be sure you'll find loads of photo opportunities. Let's not forget to mention the Arsenal women's team, who have proven to be a force to be reckoned with. Throughout history, they've won 15 league titles, 14 FA Cups and more. And they hold the claim to being the only English club to win the UEFA Women's Champions League. Here's a reminder of some of the places you can see when you come to London at the Angel Islington. Regents Canal, Camden Passage, Islington Green, the Screen on the Green, the Almeida Theatre, Sadler's Wells, the Angel Comedy Club, Upper Street, Islington Square, Chapel Market, Angel Central, the Emirates Stadium, Remember to subscribe and like, and look out for more places to go and see as we work around the Monopoly board looking at London through London eyes.